let's double check Starknet targets updates with my customer reset. So guys, nothing special happened now with the Starknet because the targets are still relevant. And you remember the condition of indentation accumulation pump model if the token dump under listing price and invalidate the indentation accumulation pump model levels for accumulation. These levels now will be like levels to fix the profit. So the next step for Starknet, if of course it's not a scam and everything will be okay with the token in general, So the 44.71, 57.77, this is a zone where you mostly need to fix a profit if you buy around here. Also, after 100% profit, you usually better withdraw initial deposit. You also have to keep in mind, so for example, don't fall in that trap, like psychological trap. I would like to explain you what I mean. So for example, your entry, just an average, your entry around here, let's say 37 cents or around here at this block, like 44. And we drop it down so crazy. When the price come back to your entry, you have to take an action. You have to make a decision. Are you ready to see the potential one more drop and losses like 30% or 50% again? Because for example, the drop from 44 to 28 is going to be even to 30 is going to be the minus 30% drop. Or for example, you're ready to hold till the highest targets. And the trap is when the people think, oh, it's just the beginning. It's just the beginning. For someone, your entry can be around like 10x. So keep in mind, it's totally different perspective, and we can't know. Maybe we will see something like this one and drawing down. We can't know the future. The most positive case, guys, is this block 87, $1.08, and this is a target. $2.28, $2.44. So this is a target, but guys, this is going to be just amazing rally, and this can be the end of cycle for this token. We can't know in a moment, but I mean, if your entry was around here like mine around 60, between the 45 and the 60, I need to double check because I bought on different exchanges, and I need to calculate it. Definitely, when the Starknet will be here, I will out. Most likely I will out. I will not wait because it was my mistake, right? So for example, if let's count like this one, 60. I will not wait this 300 potential gains. No. Even if we go higher to the moon, right? Because yes, we still get a chance to close the 50% of this week. I don't want to wait that target anymore. So I will follow my plan because I made a mistake, right? And most likely I will out at the break even because my entry, it will be someone 1,500% gains. So definitely I will withdraw I will out at the break even if I get a chance, of course. And maybe if we drop it down, I will buy them back. Maybe. If not, I'm just skip because I'm trade and I don't like the to be in that position when you just throw the money on the spot. But it was my mistake, my personal mistake, because I bought it here by logic, and nobody could even imagine. So we will dump to 3 cents, under 3 cents. Who could imagine? So the token, the super fundamental token like Starknet, which traded on the Binance in zone 24 in the February at around $8, will dump to 2 cents or 3. Nobody could even imagine. That's why I followed the indentation accumulation pump model, accumulated here in average. My entry, I need to double check the entry, but between the 60 and 45. So I'm in crazy losses, right? But sometimes it's happened. You can't make a mistake if you're not taking action. That's why I understand in social media everybody is so successful, but guys, we are living in reality on this channel. So now we're trying breaking out the zero level, only the zero level. It's a listing of February 24. Next step, guys, this block just you can add alert and wait. You will see the reaction at these blocks. If we double check the monthly time frame, Definitely the first trouble area, it's 32.16. It's a monthly gap. I don't think so we will come back now to close the 50% of this week anymore. Basically, we can go straight forward to 32. After that, to the block of resistance. After that, of course, here's another monthly gap. It's $1.02 and $1.02. It's a full fill of monthly gap. Above is here, $1.70. So pay attention for the monthly gaps. So it's really, really important levels. After that, just add alerts. You can just add this alert, for example, to the levels before the level and track it. So it's pretty simple. I will add it because I probably will out at a break even. Maybe I will use that money just for the futures trades, or maybe I reinvest in some other tokens. If Starknet will skyrocket to $2.28, I will don't care, because for me it's not a good risk reward based on my entry, right? So ADZ direction, guys, this is accumulation. This is definitely, it's a dashboard. This is definitely not a distribution zone. So guys, yes, global targets relevant, right? Global targets relevant. But of course, I will not sell by limit order. So I will just add alert and track what's going on with the stock. And maybe this Starknet will skyrocket like Zcash, like this one green candle. Maybe, we can't know. But now it's not a time to fix the Starknet. I guess, it's just my humble opinion. Before the end of November or December. So zones, guys, based on ADZ, it's not a distribution zone. Direction. We not at the top, not with the signals to sell. Daily, here was accumulation, now nothing. No accumulation, no distribution. So just in case, take a look at the market tomorrow. Daily, yes, it's A3. We've been here in capitulation. Take a look, by the way, how the price respect the level of the listing here. This was a listing, and this is how the price respect of this June 2022 pump, drop, respect the level, and go higher. Done. Weekly, still disbelief. So it's disbelief, guys. Time to sell Starknet will be in the market mood A3 zone. Now nothing. By the way, this is an update of the main videos of the Starknet what I posted before, guys. So buy, bounce, recommendation, close position. So this was my trap. A buying by logic, by the main model. So everything being okay, but I'm not trust this signal on the weekly to sell in December 2024, because I guess we should skyrocket to the moon to this target, but we didn't. So sometimes it's happened. Based on daily time frame, here was a sell. A fun fact, but many tokens, I don't know why, but trader showing us before, 3 days before, 2 days before to sell before the dump. Of course, the indicators can't predict the Donald Trump decisions, but it's kind of weird, By the way, you can track it in real time, not after the fact. So here was a buyback signal, 2 buyback signal, 12 time frame, sell, buyback. And so monthly time frame buy. Nice one. Finally. So congrats everybody who catch the ride at the lowest point, not like I did. So based on money power, we're at the bottom. We're on the middle line on the monthly time frame, so it's bullish. Weekly time frame, here was accumulation. Main accumulation was in February. So we can say like 20 cents is can be the comfortable price for the whales. So definitely, guys, at 44, at 40 cents, you will see some money outflow. So not many, maybe not a crazy money outflow, but some fixation you will see at this level. Fixation was here. I also my mistake, so I ignore it. I ignore it once again. First of all, I'm not track so often the Starknet because I just buy, add alerts, so wait. And not add the Starknet in my watch list, but sometimes I need to trust more my indicator set and track all tokens what I buy. Here, the fundamental value of this token on the weekly, it's 25.19. Buy line test below, it's 33.74. Take profit line 67.21. Exit line 75.90. Sooner or later, we're gonna test these lines. But guys, keep in mind, we can form the, for example, the double bottom, for example, you know? So, or this cup and handle. So if you trade patterns, you know, it can be the cup and handle and go higher to, I don't know, in spring 26. That's why, guys, build a plan and fix at some level. Or if you believe in this target or even new all-time high and you don't care about a timing, you can wait at the main targets. So it's up to you. Guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap us in a comment what you think about Starknet. By the way, now on the daily, we owe them exit line. If you like to trade with my customer, or show in this video, is right in the DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.